Hey YouTube, I just discovered another revelation here. While getting this blade guard adjusted so that it'll run true up and down, I discovered that I was having a problem with the wheels not being coplanar with each other, top and bottom. And when I got this thing squared to where it'll run up and down level with the blade, another thing happened where this blade here, when it's running, well, you can't see it probably. I can't see it looking at my phone, but if you can, that's cool. But anyway, the blade is running in the center here, and before the blade was not running on the center here, but now it is running more in the center like it should be. And all it took is those shims right there, and what do you know? All right, that's it.